Today we'll be making steak fried rice. The ingredients are 2 cups rice, 2 pounds sirloin steak, 1/2 cup onion, olive oil, soy sauce, 4 eggs, water chestnuts, mushrooms, bean sprouts, salt and pepper to taste, green onions for garnish. Bring 4 cups of water and a teaspoon of butter to a boil for the rice. When water is boiling, add 2 cups of rice. Simmer covered for 30 minutes. Simmer and cover for 30 minutes. Scramble 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste. In a pan, add some olive oil for your steak. Brown the sirloin steak. Brown the onions with the sirloin steak. Add soy sauce to taste, then set aside till your rice is done. Add the mushrooms to your sirloin steak mixture. Mushrooms added to the sirloin steak and onions. Add more soy sauce if needed. Rice, egg, and water chestnuts added to the steak fried rice. Add bean sprouts, cover, and simmer. Steak fried rice, ready to eat.